Moving on, we are studying the mechanism of opening and closing of stoma. I do not know how your teachers will teach you in school, but guys, I like to start it off with this statement / question. Guys, for this particular subtopic, there are two hypotheses that we have to study, which then comes the question, kenapa satu teori kita perlu hafal dua hipotesis? Guys, why is it still a hypothesis? Or rather, when is a hypothesis a conclusion? When is hypothesis a conclusion? Anybody? When the hypothesis is accepted, yes. When the experiment is completely proven. But why, guys? How come here we still need to study two different hypotheses for the one same thing, which is stomata opening and closing? Why? Why is it still a hypothesis? Think, guys, you all are science students. You have been a science student for the past 4 or 5 years. 4 years, or if you include primary or more than that. Two factors, no. One opening, one closing, no. Both also explain opening and closing. Guys, the reason is because there are still questions that cannot be answered. Masih ada soalan yang tidak boleh dijawab lagi. So, if there are doubts, there are things that cannot be explained, how to accept? So, that's why pending still hypothesis. Yeah, that's why we have to study both. Okay. Guys, are plants or human more complex in terms of processes? Plants or humans more complex? Obviously, yeah, human. Our human body is way more complex compared to plants. Systems alone, we have skeletal system, muscular system. I know what you want to say, reproductive system. Then blood circulatory system, lymphatic system, so on and so forth. Plants, they only have two systems, shoot system and root system. So for human body, many things have been explained very clearly what's actually going on. Like guys, muscle contract and relax. Muscle contraction, contract and relax. Nampak senang, belajar pun senang, but when you go up to pre-U, A-levels, STPM, is very difficult. It's very difficult. I need 2 hours to teach my students, A-levels, STPM students. It's called sliding filament theory. Actin lah, myosin lah, so on and so forth. A lot of things. So many things human have already solved, but until today, you'll be surprised how water move up and how food move down, organic substances, products of photosynthesis, how food move down, easier to teach. Still, there is no conclusion. Still, there's no conclusion yet. Guys, still got no conclusion. Yeah. You know, when I was Form 6, guys, when I was taking STPM biology, when I was still a student, you know, for food, how many processes we study or not? We study 4 hypotheses. Guys, we study 4 hypotheses for food. Simply because I was thinking, wow, simply because scientists cannot prove, I have to study 4. My friends have to study, everyone has to study 4. What if one fine day in the future, yeah, guys, one fine day in the future, then someone managed to prove, then guys, we rugi lah. Guys, we rugi lah, because in the future students study 1 only, but bloody hell. But back then we have to study 4. So I was thinking like that. Next time student, if this one approve, then students study 1. Wow, we wasted so much time study 4. Guys, guess what? Until today, still haven't been proven yet. Yeah, did your teacher tell you in any point in time this one haven't been proven at all? No conclusion yet. Okay, which comes to a very important point, guys. If in any case, any one of you, you have the interest, the passion, guys, try to prove lah. Try to prove next time. Become a scientist, do the research. Because I think 85% is confirmed. Just the 10-15%, very little only. Some questions that cannot be answered, ma. And guys, if you manage to prove, confirm you will get a Nobel Prize, guys. You will get a Nobel Prize. Money, no lah. Nobel Prize is better. You will prove something that will be studied and memorized by all the students in the whole wide world. Sell the Nobel Prize? Guys, when you get a Nobel Prize, what's the first thing that you should do? Yeah, you get a call, not spam call, really. You are offered the prestigious Nobel Prize. Tell my mom. Tell your mom. Get a girlfriend. Call my mom. Promote Mr. Khor. Guys, when you get a Nobel Prize, first thing you call me. Guys, first thing is you call me. Yeah. You go to the WhatsApp, go to the very old group, Mr. Khor Bio, don't know what, Form 5 last time, then you click in, you call me, guys. Actually nowadays I don't pick up call already, too many scam call. But never mind, it's okay, guys, you just call me. Yeah. Sir, we can promote you. No need to promote, it's okay. We just go up and take your Nobel Prize together lah. Easier lah, save you the effort. Don't need you to spend time promoting me. We just go up, we hold together, we take photo. Can already lah, guys, I don't ask much ma. Yeah, I don't ask for much, it's just yeah. So guys, you'll be surprised, open a bio tuition and replace Mr. Khor. Wow, competition. Wow, so ganas one. But competition is good lah. Competition is good. It's good for everyone because students got more choice. Teachers become more competitive. It's good for students, good for grades, good for the country. That's how I see it. Yeah. But problem is sometimes people who do not know how to teach, try to teach the wrong thing. That one I'm quite mad lah. Yeah. Okay, look. You'll be surprised, every second all this is happening. The opening and closing of Stoma, the food movement, the water movement. Sampai hari ini tak ada kesimpulan langsung. Still no conclusion at all. Yeah. Let's go and prove lah. Please go and prove it. But the key point is the Nobel Prize part. You call me lah. That one is, you prove or not, I think to me not so important lah, guys. The Nobel Prize more important lah. Okay. Let's check out potassium ion intake. Let's check out potassium ion intake hypothesis. Oh yeah, but we have to study one. We have to know one thing first, guys. Stoma is a pore. Satu liang is a pore that are surrounded by gut cells. Stoma is a pore that is surrounded by gut cells. So, are you teaching the 4 food processes? Yeah. I'm teaching my STPM. I'll be teaching my STPM students, I think 2 months from now. I'm teaching the same thing. Still teaching the same thing. Yeah. Okay, look. Guys, so gut cell, epidermal cell. Okay, look. There's something to learn here. Wait. I use a better method. Look, I draw for you. Let's say these two, guys. Let's say these two are gut cells joined together. Guys, let's say these two are gut cells joined together. Mean attached to each other at the tip. This is definitely the stoma. The cells that, guys, the cells that actually surround, I draw a bit bigger, I didn't draw so many. The cells that actually surround the gut cells, there's actually a name. Guys, we can call this subsidiary cells. We can call this neighboring cells. We can also call this adjacent cells. Oh, don't worry guys, still got one more. Finally, epidermal cell. Got 4 names. Guys, can you please take a very short breather to draw this beside page number 22. Salin di tepi muka surat 22. on Tuesday, I showed my students, oh guys, look at my pregnant cat. Yeah, it's so fat. The next day it gave birth. I was about to drive out, then my kakak suddenly called, sir. I'm thinking, should be Lily gave birth. Then true enough, Lily gave birth. Lily is the cat which I adopted. Guys, you want to see the kitten or not? I show you one. Of course, if you saw my Instagram, then you saw the whole thing TikTok I post very little bit . Now guys, this is one kitten. This is one kitten. Four days old. 4 days old. Lily. Okay guys, next, moving on. What's their name? No lah. I plan to give them up for adoption when everything has been stabilized. Okay guys, look. So, okay, look. Guys, this is a stoma. Okay. Mingyan, does it look like anything else other than stoma? Nothing. Okay lah. Christian, does it look like anything else other than stoma? Oh, here got what? Look like the eyeball. Okay. Yeah, I also think look like eyeball lah. Nothing else. Yeah. No. I never think anything else. I also think the same eyeball lah. Okay, and guys, if you are very creative, you might see this. I did some drawing before class. If you are very creative, you might see this. Okay. Alright guys, let's check out potassium ion intake hypothesis. First of all, in order for the stoma to open, gut cells will actively take in potassium ion. Guys, gut cells will actively take in potassium ions. What is the meaning of active? What is active? Active means energy is needed. Guys, active means energy is needed. So that's why you can see ATP here. ATP is needed. Next, we are talking about water potential. Guys, we are talking about water potential. The thing is this, how many of you learned water potential in school last time? How many of you learned water potential in school last year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you all really understand the concept of water potential? Do you really understand? Okay, a bit, not really, no. The thing is this, I didn't teach water potential at all last year. Two reasons. Reason number one, you don't need it at all in Form 4. There's not a need at all to know water potential in Form 4. Guys, what topic you need water potential other than osmosis? They introduce the concept to you. Don't have. Number one. Number two, when you learn something new and you learn two things together, it's supposed to be one solid concept, but you learn hyper, and water potential, end up you feel confused. I tested before, so I know. After my first year of teaching them both, I stopped straight. Next year I changed. Like what I did with y'all, I teach one thing only, hyper. How did I teach you all hypo? Guys, you see how I teach you water potential? First of all, how did I teach you all hypo? Ming Yen public. Yes, Milo, guys. Milo solution. Okay, Milo solution. Milo drink lah. So how I taught hyper last year, let me recap real quick. I use Milo as an example. Anyone here never drink Milo before? I think you're from some other funny country lah, if you never drink Milo before. Guys, Milo, no matter what, all students have been exposed to Milo. They come in with the truck. Then after that, during my time, my teachers give coupon. Then we line up. We take the Milo. Then after that, we feel the Milo was really nice. Then we steal our friend coupon to get another cup. But nowadays, they say don't give coupon anymore. Just take something like that. So when you drink, wow, Milo at that point in time was the best drink in the world. You know why? Because the formula is different. At home, you cannot get the same texture one. It's a different formula. My friend worked in Nestle. Oh, anyway, I shouldn't say that. Okay, guys, look. When you buy Milo for the first time, humans, we are like that. When got a lot of something, we will use even more. When there's a lot of something, we use even more. Wow, put half cup the Milo powder. Then what else do you put? Guys, what else do you put? So drink like that can die. Never mind lah, it's worth it. Yeah, Milo powder, and then you put hot water. Some of you may even put condensed milk. Some of you got sweet tooth. You like things very sweet. Then you put condensed milk even. Actually, Milo, I think Australia research, is it Australia? They found out that our Milo, right, half the tin is sugar. Content wise I didn't say like half of the tin is sugar. Content wise, half of it is sugar. Australia got a report, you go and check. That's why elderly people shouldn't drink too much Milo. Little bit is fine like hospital they give a bit is fine Like I said, human, we are like that. When we have a lot of something, we tend to put even more. But the moment going to finish, and then your mom and dad tell you, we won't be buying Milo so fast. Let's wait until weekend. Only we go to Jaya Grocer to buy. Oh, guys, just to tahan, just to tahan a little. You put a little bit of Milo every day just to taste the Milo taste. But guys, still you are very greedy. You like a lot of water one. You put full cup water still. Guys, the cup is full of Milo. Got one boy very emotional seeing this. One boy got emotional seeing this yesterday. Wow, so like this will taste like longkang water. He got very emotional yesterday. Yeah. Guys, look. So hypertonic means a lot of solute. More solute, less water. Okay, hypotonic, less solute, more water. Guys, you see how I teach water potential. Guys, you see how I teach. What's it blocking? See how I teach water potential, alright? Good news, if you know, guys, if you know hyper, you actually know water potential already. Just that when you learn two at the same time, you were just Form 4, you just entered Form 4 Bio, then it's very hard for you to hold on to both. Okay, look. Guys, hypotonic is the same as high water potential. Keupayaan air tinggi maksudnya hypotonic. Water potential low means hypertonic. Water potential low means hypertonic. So I still don't understand what's the meaning of it. Guys, water potential means more solute, less water. High water potential means less solute, more water. Yeah. So they are exactly the same. Yeah. But don't write that in exam. You're not allowed to write high water potential same as hypotonic. You cannot say that. Just that their concepts are exactly the same. Guys, can you please copy this on the empty page? Please copy this beside page number 22. Okay guys, let's start from beginning again. Now first point, in order for the stoma to open, gut cells will actively take in potassium ions. Okay, active means energy is needed. Now your turn. Can anyone tell me, based on what you copied earlier, how's the water potential? Guys, actually this is the symbol of water potential, but it's not being used in SPM. Yeah, in A levels STPM we use this symbol. It's like a trident, like the trident. Aquaman, the trident. Yeah. JJ, you know Aquaman? JJ know Aquaman? Yes, hopefully you're talking about the same Aquaman. Okay, so how's the water potential here based on what you copied earlier? Based on what you copied earlier, how's the water potential now? Come guys, quick, too slow already. Yes, low. Water potential gut cell low. Yes, Nishika, Mingyan, JJ, Yu Kai. If inside low means outside, inside low means outside high. Yes. Somya, Christian, Lukman, surprisingly, yeah. So will water move in or will water move out? Again, based on what you copied. In. Because water always move high to low water potential, right? So water enters the gut cells by osmosis. Water enters gut cells by osmosis. This causes the gut cell to swell or become turgid. Segah, menjadi segah, very packed with water. This is what causes the stoma to open. Guys, this is what causes the stoma to open. Let's check out the notes together. Okay guys, so good news, if you know how the mechanism of stoma opening occurs from potassium ion intake, to close is everything songsang, everything opposite only. Guys, look, in order for the stoma to close, the intake of potassium ion stops. In fact, potassium ion diffuse out. Guys, potassium ion diffuse out into subsidiary cells. Guys, how's the water potential in the gut cells now? Become high. Yes, if here high, here is low, so water move this direction. Guys, water move. So water potential of gut cell will be high. Water diffuse out of the gut cells into the subsidiary cells. Okay, into the subsidiary cells. Just now turgid, now flaccid. Tadi segah, sekarang flaccid. Just now stoma open, now the stoma close. Ta-da! That's all, okay? Guys, can you do self-reading for 1 minute? Do self-reading for 1 minute. Go ahead. Read through my notes. You can highlight as well. Go ahead. Okay. Guys, moving on to the last part of today, as well as this subtopic, we are checking out changes in concentration of sucrose. Let's start. Now, in order for the stoma to open, firstly, during the day, photosynthesis occur. As I mentioned just now, guys, gut cells, do they have chloroplasts? Do gut cells have chloroplasts? Yeah. Yes. So photosynthesis occur, sucrose is produced. Sucrosa dihasilkan. May I ask, how is the water potential here? Water potential is low. So water move in or water move out? Guys, water move in or out? Water move in, correct. Water move in. Gut cell become turgid and then the stoma will open. Question, how many points are different compared to potassium ion intake? Guys, how many points are different? How many points are different? Only one. The first point is different. Hanya point pertama berbeza. The rest are all exactly the same as the first hypothesis we learned. Okay guys, and before I look at some past year questions, let's look at the other half. In order for stoma to close, now first point, if just now got photosynthesis, got sucrose, now nighttime no photosynthesis, no sucrose. Guys, no photosynthesis, no sucrose. How's the water potential of gut cells? Guys, how's the water potential of gut cells? Jiayue, yes. Yukai, Nishika, JJ, yeah. So water potential is now high. Outside is low. So water move from high to low water potential. Means water diffuse out. Because water always move from high to low ma. Water move out by osmosis. Gut cell become flaccid and then the stoma close. Itu saja, guys. That's all. So if you study smart, you study one enough. The second one, just the first point is different. So what's the trident? The potential, the water potential symbol. But actually SPM they don't use this. That's actually SPM they don't use this. In A levels, in SPM, yes. So again, if you know how to strategize, study one enough. The other one just half out the first point. Okay. Okay.